How often should you post on YouTube? Yeah, as a small YouTuber, how many times should you post videos in a week or in a month? So, to answer this question, this website or a channel called vidIQ, they did a research where they analyzed 5 million channels, as you can see over here. So, they analyzed 5 million channels to find out. So, that is what we are going to read. So, how often should you post on YouTube? So when you read the summary over here, they were like, we analyzed 5 million channels, and the answer is clear that consistent posting is the key to YouTube growth. Yes, we know that consistent posting is the key, but how many times should you post in a week or in a month? So now let's continue. They said we analyzed data from 5.08 million YouTube channels and find a clear trend. The more content you post, the faster you grow. Okay, I think they are already giving us answer from the beginning. So they say the more content you post, the faster you grow. So no matter your size, niche, or starting point, if you are prioritizing growth, aim to post more than once a week. Okay, so when it comes to YouTube growth, the advice is everywhere. Post once a week, be consistent, prioritize quality, don't burn out. But what does the data say about how often you should upload if you actually want to grow? So now, we continue. So data. So we studied over 5 million channels using vidIQ data from June 2024 to June 2025 and looked at two metrics: monthly view growth and monthly subscriber growth. So meaning that they took the 5 million channels and checked how many views they get in a month and how many subscribers they get in a month as compared to how many videos they post per month. And so let's look at the result. Here is what we found. So this is their result. To explain this chart, this place they wrote videos per month over here, and over here they wrote average monthly views growth. So meaning this one is people who post one video in a month, and this one is for people who post 1 to 3 videos in a month. So what is this chart telling us, or what is this result about? So this means that for people who post one video in a month, their average view growth is 1.92%. That's very low. Yeah, 1.92%. Now people who post 1 to 3 videos in a month, their average view goes up, skyrockets to 9.99%. And I think this is why most people advise that you should try to upload at least once a week, because look at the gap. Are you seeing the gap from 1% to 9%, which is almost times 8? So which means that if you upload one in a month and you get 10k views, it means if you now upload 4 or let's say 3 in a month, so by 8 times more than, so you'll be getting around 80,000 views. So you can see that the gap is wide. And now people who upload 4 to 7 videos in a month, their distance is 12.55%, and you can see the chart goes on. So this is for the views. And now what about the subscribers? They use two metrics. So this is for the subscribers also, because if you look, here's videos per month and average subscriber growth. So people who post 1 videos a month, they have a 1.98% of subscriber growth, and people who upload 1 to 3 videos, 3.74. You can also see the huge gap, which means that at least if you don't want to upload more, at least try your very best to upload 1 to 4 videos in a month. Like upload videos every week, because the gap is very huge, as you can see. And people who upload 4 to 7 videos, you can also see that they went up. People who upload 8 to 11 videos, they also went up. These are 12 plus, they also went up. So from this result, you can agree that if you want to grow faster, you have to post a lot of videos. Yes, if you want to grow faster, you have to post a lot of videos. So I think let me continue. It says the results are clear. Each step up in posting frequently leads to faster views and subscriber growth. So let me continue a little bit. So he said, how often should you post on YouTube to grow? So based on the data, here's a short answer. To grow faster, aim to post more than once a week. Yes, so now let me just give a quick summary. So how many videos should you post in a week or in a month? Well, that is up to you. It depends on how fast you want to grow. If you're not the type that wants to grow very fast, maybe due to your work schedule, like you can just stick to one video per week or even one video in 2 weeks. But if you want to go faster, so that is when you have to increase your upload. So how many videos should you upload in a month is up to you, depending on how fast you want to grow. If you can reach 3 or more upload per week, that's around 12 per month, it is better. So over here, I think they went on to explain the chart for us. They said channel posting 12 times a month grows their views nearly 8 times faster and subscribers 3 times faster than those posting less than once a month. Then compared to creators who post 1 to 3 times a month, those uploading 12 times grow views 53% faster and 66% faster in terms of subscribers. So is it how often should I upload on YouTube? And our answer is more often than you probably are. So meaning just post more. Yeah. So if you can build a system that supports three or more videos per week, you are setting your channel up for much stronger sustained growth. More frequent upload doesn't just accelerate momentum, they also create faster feedback loop. You'll quickly spot what's working and what's not, helping you improve the quality of your content with every post. So that's it for this video. But if you want to know the best time to upload video, that is the best days and best time to upload videos, then check out this video over here.